Hello everyone, welcome to SS Tutorials. This video is about another SolidWorks feature which is called Swept Boss and Swept Cut feature. For complete understanding of this feature, watch the full video. To make you understand this feature, first of all I will draw a sketch. Let's select a plane. I am selecting front plane, making it normal to. Let's create a sketch. Select line from here. Right click, select. Then go to feature. There is a feature available here, Swept Boss Base. Select it. In the left side of this user interface, you will get all the options available to draw the Swept Boss feature. In profile and path, there are two options available here. One is sketch profile and another is circular profile. First of all, we will select circular profile. When you select circular profile, it will ask to select the profile. In that case, you just need to select this sketch. And it is also asking for the diameter of this circular profile, which is by default 10 mm. Let it be 15 mm. Like this. Select OK. So this is Swept Boss feature with circular profile. The another option was sketch profile. First of all, I will select a front plane, make it normal to. I will draw a sketch. I am selecting a line from here. Escape. Exit from sketch. Then go to features, click on reference geometry, select a plane from here. Then in the first reference, select this line, and in second reference, select this point. So that we have draw a plane at this point which is perpendicular to this line. Click OK. Go to this plane, make it normal to, and draw a sketch on this plane. I am selecting a circle here. I am drawing a circle. Click OK. Exit from the sketch. Now go to front plane again, make it normal to, take a spline from here. Right click, select. Exit sketch. Then go to features, select Swept Boss. This time we will select sketch profile. Then it is asking to select the sketch first. In sketch, we will select this circle. Then it is asking for profile. In profile, we will select this line, which is our center line. And in guide curve, we will select this curve. C. So we have selected this sketch profile which is following this center line and making the model of this drawn guide curve. Click OK. Now see, this is Swept Boss feature. Some more options available inside this. To access them, first of all, we will delete this sweep feature. Right click, delete. Yes. We will again go to feature Swept Boss. In place of sketch, we will select this sketch. In profile, we will select this center line, and in guide curve, we will select this curve. We will have a feature available here which is called thin feature. When you click on thin feature, it will give as the options to provide thickness. See, by default 1 mm thickness is provided here. We can change it to 2 mm like this. In this case, the thickness is provided in one direction because one direction thickness is selected. When you select two direction, you can provide thickness in two direction like this. Then it is asking for two type of thickness, T1 and T2. T1 is the outside thickness and T2 is the inside thickness, which is 1 mm. When you click on mid plane and when the 2 mm thickness is selected, so 1 mm thickness for each side is provided. As of now, I am selecting one direction. One more option is available here, start and end tangency. Just click on it. When you select start tangency type, it means what you will do here, it will have an impact on the starting edge. Same is for end tangency type, which will apply it on the end of this model. Let's see. When you change the start tangency type from none to the part tangent, the profile become like this. Earlier it was like this. The same is applied to the end. When you select the end tangency type from none to part tangent, it will follow the tangent path like this. As of now, I am changing both. See. Now click OK. You can hide this plane. Next is swept cut feature. To make you understand this, I will delete this feature first. Right click, delete, yes. We will go to feature, swept boss and again make the same profile. But this time this is a solid body. Click OK. Then I will select plane 1, make it normal 2, selecting a circle from here, and I will select a circle of 5 mm radius. Click OK. Come out of sketch. Now we'll go to front plane, make it normal 2, and I will select a straight line from the center of this circle. Right click, select. Come out of this sketch. I will make this sweep feature to visible. Then I go to feature. This time I will select swept cut. In sketch profile, I will select this small circle, and in profile I will select this line. Just click OK. You will see there is a cut inside this body. You can also use guide curve in the swept cut feature also. Rest of the operation in the swept cut feature is same as the swept boss feature. Thanks for watching.